Oh, it's cold. It's like mid-April. They have the heater on for a minute. Warm it up in here. Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm glad you're here. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. It's a plaque kind of thing. It was purchased somewhere else before to be used for something else, and it never got used for that. So it's just a basic kind of thing. It's got a kind of a profile pattern routed out in it. This is something that, I mean, I could make one, but I already had this here, so I'm going to use it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bottle opener. And I've got these right here, or this one. I've got more of them, but it says open here, and it's just a standard kind of bottle opener, and it has an old rustic look to it. It's actually brand new, but it's kind of neat because it has an old rustic look to it. And to stay with the kind of old rustic theme, what I'm going to do with this piece of wood here is I'm going to take this gray paint. It's just a primer, gray primer. Doesn't matter really what kind of painted, you know, whatever it is, whatever color you want to use or whatever. I'm going to put a clear coat over the whole thing after I'm done with it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly kind of spray the whole surface here and go back over it with some sandpaper and kind of scuff it up and rough it up a little bit and give it kind of a rustic look. I think it'll go well with kind of the rustic look that this has. And then screw this on here, drill a couple of holes in the top and bottom of this to be able to mount it to a wall somewhere, and that'll be pretty much it. Pretty simple project, but it's really neat. I think it's gonna have a good look to it and everything else. So let's go on and get started on that. See how it turns out. Alright, so there it is, all done. Got it mounted over here on the panel saw, just to show. So you can mount it up on a wall. You can always use some paint or something, and if you wanted to kind of hide these screws, paint them gray or whatever. I think it looks alright with them, the blackhead screws and stuff too. But you can see, there it is. Like I said, it's quick, simple little thing. You could always like write something here or get a like a vinyl sticker or something that says something on, cracking open a cold one with the boys or whatever. But yeah, just a quick, simple little thing. The whole thing's got kind of a rustic feel to it. Looking back at it now, maybe even like go back over it with some kind of like some brown paints just a little bit and scuff those in too to weather in and blend with this. Maybe it's up to you. It can be a solid color. It can be made out of any shape you want, anything like that. It doesn't matter either. It's all up to you. But that's pretty much it. I think it came out pretty good. A little easy project, and there you go. Alright, that's going to do it for another one. Thank you all for stopping by. I always appreciate you all coming by and watching the videos, commenting, liking, sharing, and all that. If you like the content here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of the upcoming videos. And if you all have any ideas for any projects that you'd like to see me do or anything like that, just leave a comment down in the comment section below. And I guess that's about it for this one. We'll see y'all next time. Take care. Alright. Oh, can't see anything. That's better. Hello and welcome back to another video. Wow. Let's try that again. Goodness gracious, that looks awful. A little better. Zoom out. I'm already zoomed out. Golly. Okay, let's take the focus. Bam!